guys, isn't it just great? Absolutely nothing to absolutely do. Like absolutely nothing. Okay, please. Okay, first of all, stop saying absolutely, because it's kind of annoying. Because absolutely, that's kind of weird, you know. Yeah, why monkey? It's kind of weird. Yeah, sucker, it's kind of weird. Anyways, I don't know if you're going. Okay. Guys, who wants to go into monkey bars with me? Yeah. I thought you said you hated monkey bars. Yeah. No, I like monkey bars. It's just the fact that I don't want to fall. It's kind of fun. Last time we tried it. Yeah. Oh, okay. So come on, let's go. Yeah. Why am I back here again? Anyways, fuck you. Yeah. Monkey bars. Many locals such as Tochika, Video.Guru, Freddy, Spinka, Andy. I don't even know who's here. I might miss him. And then Kodamiki. There have been strange reports, and I'm going to show you the recent people who have been hurt. Yeah. Oh, my leg, because I run the monkey bars. I die. Yeah. He went on the monkey bars on South Park thingy with Jigger. And then he got killed. Well, not killed, he broke his leg. This is super bad because someone was slippery sliders on it. And the police are still trying to find who did it. So then they can arrest them. And then they'll be charged with 17 counts of good money. And it's going to me. Come on, police, find it. I'm being serious. Alright. Now, that's it for this breaking news. Yeah. Wait a minute. Oh no! Wait, what happened? They're going to the monkey bars in South Park. I don't even know what. South Park. I don't even know what. Come on, we better hurry before they. Oh no! Come on, we better hurry. Yeah, we better hurry. Oh God, what are you rushing about? Oh no! Wait, I mean, orange monkey. Whoa, this thing is slippery and sliding. Whap! Oh. Orange monkey! Oh no! What do we do? He got hit. Yeah. Orange monkey, are you okay? My leg! It hurts so bad. Yeah. Oh no! We gotta take you back. Hey, you just take him. I'm gonna go on monkey bar. Wait, no, don't do it. Because then you slip and you end up like orange monkey who got hurt really bad. Okay, and the person died on the news. Come on. A few minutes later, there you go, white monkey, brown monkey. There you go, orange monkey. You should feel better. Oh, how is this better? I literally have a cast on my foot and I can't walk. Well, calm down, because you're gonna walk sooner or later. Alright, I'm gonna go get some meds. Oh, okay, you should feel better in about. Let me check my invisible watch. In about 1 hour. 1 hour. Oh, okay, that's good. Oh, never mind. It said, Oh, 1 day. No. Well, I'm gonna make you some stuff, and you tell me what to give you. So I'll do it. Anything for my ugly friend who's dumb and his broken leg. Not nice. Not nice. Okay. I'm still broke on my meds. Oh God. That's not good. Yeah. La. What the fuck? Oh, hey. Why is Orange Monkey have a cast on? Oh, he broke his leg. He broke his leg? What? Yeah, he went on the super sliding bars, and then he slipped off, and then he hurt, and then he broke his leg. Oh. Hey, editor, can you do a time lapse? Sure, we can do a time lapse. Alright, good. Time lapse. The first hour. Oh, I got your stuff, One Monkey. What'd you get me? I got you your age. My age? What does that mean? I found it in a back alley with a guy. He said, "Here, take some AIDS, Wonder Man. These are really good for you, and they'll make you go super cool." You mean that's pills or drugs that God gave you? Yeah. I didn't take them yet, which is good. Wait, did you just say drugs? Yeah, that's a bad guy. Oh. Wait a minute. Do you think that's the guy who made the monkey bars super slidey and stuff like that? Yeah, I think so. But that's a low chance because he's a drug dealer. Yeah. Hey kids, just let you know, do not be a drug dealer. It's really bad. Then you get arrested, go to jail, or you'll be charged with 7. Who are you talking to? Oh, this. There's no one there. Oh, okay. Damn. You go turn to that guy and go cop a pee-pee. What did I just say? You said cop a pee-pee. The second hour. Oh! Yeah. What? Don't scare me like that. Oh, sorry, Dayan. Hey, I have your real meds. Enderman reported it to police, and then he got arrested. He's in court right now. Okay. Alright, so here's your real age. I'll be going. I got the CVS pharmacy. Not sponsored. Okay. Go. Oh, and don't take an overdose. You die. Okay. Oh, I'm so bored. Wait. Oh, wait. I could crawl. What are you doing? Oh, I'm crawling to get that cookies. No, those are my grandma's. My cookies. My foot. You hurt my foot even more. Oh no. What did you do, wet monkey, you stupid idiot? Sorry. The 4th hour. Oh. The 7th hour. Time lapse. It sucks. Dang it. Stupid. Whoa. Yeah. Oh, my leg. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh. The next morning. Okay, it's time to take it off. Oh, cool. Yeah. Ooh. What? No, let's go outside. Yeah, let's go outside. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Whoa. Ouch. Uh-oh. Oh, my leg. Thanks for watching, people. Yeah.